All right, here we go. Welcome back to the Witcher Math channel. In this marathon session, all of these videos are happening during my non-contract lunch. There you go. Anyway, okay, we're working on rigid transformations. I'm going to add that word. It's important because it means something. Rigid means these shapes are congruent. They're staying same. Same size, same shape. So even though we're going to be sliding and flipping and mirroring and rotating and all that stuff, we should end up with the same exact shape we started with, just in a different location. Okay? Since it worked so well in the last video, I'm going to color code this. We're going to start with green. Green means go, so let's go. Translate means slide, right? And if we're sliding left, it's minus, and if we're sliding right, it's plus x. Okay, just like the x-axis. So if I'm going to slide right, plus 6, I'm going to take my point A here and use that as a point of reference, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My point A ends up there. And then it says y minus 4, which means y is either going up or down. Up is positive, down is negative. So starting at this point, I'm going y minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my point A ends up right there on the x-axis. That takes care of step 1. Wow, she's so quiet. She's so quiet putting those keys down. Oh my. I'm filming here. Thanks, Corinne. You're famous now. Okay. Corinne, getting stuff off the printer. Here we go. Okay, so my point A is on the x-axis now. Step 2, we're going to go blue because it rhymes with 2. You can imagine we'll go red on step 3 because that means stop. I'm going to reflect it over the x-axis, which means I'm going to make kind of a little dashed line there. That's going to be my line of reflection. Okay, so if you're going to reflect, it's a good idea to have your shape there. It's easier to picture. Now this is super fun using technology tools, but if you're wondering why I'm teaching it old school like this is, you know, the reality is for the most part, that's how things are getting done in the classrooms, and if not in the classrooms, when you take those standardized tests or even classroom tests, they're usually pencil and paper. And if we get used to using technology all the time, and then we're asked to do it on paper, all of a sudden that's a new set of skills, and it's not quite as easy. So anyway, that's why we're doing it like this, in case you're wondering if I don't even have a technology tool for this. I most certainly do. Okay, let's take our sugar packet. Since we're going to reflect it over the x-axis, it's going to go like this, right? My shape is going to go like that, which means the fat part that's touching the x-axis will still be the fat part touching the x-axis. Okay, it's literally folding right over. So we end up with that mirror image, okay, over the line of reflection. So there we go. That was step 2. Step 1 got me there. We have step 3. We're going to go red. I never color coded when I was in school, and I kind of wish I would have now. This makes it easy for me. I'm a visual kind of a learner. This makes it easier to keep track of everything. Okay, I'm going to rotate it clockwise. Clockwise means if I was going around a clock, there's 12 and 6, right? So around point A. So here's point A. 180 means a half turn, which means if I'm down here, point A is going to be the spot that I rotate around. half turn. See, it's not the same as a reflection. This looks like the state of Utah, actually. Did you notice that? So when I give it a turn, it ends up kitty corner to where it used to be. Okay? So, but everything's opposite. So it's going to have this tall part, but it's going to look like that. Okay, that's my rotation. That's my clockwise 180 rotation. Got it. So there's the answer right there. Done. Okay, we did 3 transformations. Well, we did 3 transformations, 3 steps. We did a translation, a reflection, and a rotation. And look where it got us. We're still stuck on this graph. But hopefully we're better practiced now, and it's time to make one more video. You got it. Stay tuned. Here we go.